screw connection is widely used in mechanical manufacturing and therefore exists quite often in CAD drawings. ZWCAD MFG 2026 provides correspondently professional designing tool. This tool enables engineers to protract the screw connection in just a few seconds. Let's check the magic of this function. A wizard is provided, in which multiple commonly used connection structures are predefined. An abundance of standard parts are integrated, covering various kinds of screw connection types. After selecting the bolt, washer, hole, and screw, engineers just need to define the normal diameter. Specifications of each parts will be automatically arranged. Length of the bolt can be automatically calculated according to the standard specification, and the whole structure of the screw connection can be entirely protracted. User-defined templates are supported, and engineers can preserve their frequently used screw connection structures as templates. Next time this part combination can be loaded with just one button click, which consequently improves the designing efficiency. The already created screw connections are editable by double-click. And the view direction, hide style, and section style can be switched easily to meet different designing requirements. Screw connection helps users avoid referring to standard manuals for parameter lookup and drawing parts one after another, which enormously increases the drawing efficiency. Please don't hesitate to download ZWCAD MFG 2026 and enjoy the free trial.